Good morning, everyone. Happy 4th of July to all of you. Hope you are having a wonderful, wonderful Independence Day. I am up here with the girls waiting for Jeff. He had to run back to the house for a few tools. But I am up here with the girls. Hey, get out of there, Bijou. I tell you what. Anyways, he's doing a little bit of fixing on the fencing here. He's doing a little bit of fixing. Serves him right for leaving his tools out, right, guys? Anyways, getting a few things battened up in the grow out pen. Our reasons are forthcoming. We will have an announcement soon for you guys. I have a little bit of work to do. Yes, all of this came back, so I've got to come up this evening once it cools off a little and get this pulled and get this little shed ready for occupancy. We'll just leave that there. Anyways, I'm excited to get up here and get a few things done. We are currently sitting at about 84 degrees with 68% humidity. So it is a hot and humid day, but we just have this day to get through, and we have a cold front coming in tonight, and we get to enjoy some mid to low 80s for our highs for the next few days. So super excited about that. I'm ready for some cooler weather for sure. And they call it a cold front. It ain't, so much a cold front as it is we get to finally cool down front. Yeah, and hopefully get several things done. I do plan on Saturday getting up here and getting these girls worked. Everybody needs hooves trimmed, selenium. I'm just letting them. I did have to cover the screws, but they like your tools. Hey, you got her head stuck there. Oh. Mister.
Gotta go in. Here we go.
What do you think, Miss Bijou? Huh? She says, you guys are up to something.
What's she looking? Oh, there you are.
You guys are up to something. Ready for some cooler weather. Aren't we, Freya? Are you ready for cooler weather, honey? I am. I'm seeing a lot of a red tint to catch me's. Hi, baby. I'm seeing a lot of red tint to her coat, and that generally is indicative to a copper deficiency. Now I know I copper bulliced these girls, but they are all due for being copper bulliced again next month. And so your black does generally will show the first signs of it, of needing their copper. We're gonna make it a surprise and not give up the goods before we have to. But we are taking a road trip tomorrow, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
We are taking a road trip tomorrow. We're traveling about 250 miles east of our location, and we are pretty stinking excited. The girls are wondering what you're doing.
Yeah,
But we're not telling them either.
Yeah, watch me like a hawk.
It's a secret. It's a secret. Changes coming to Hanson Never Done Farms. Just a few. Just a few changes. Miss Ellie got another application of the sunscreen this morning. What do you think, ladies?
Okay.
The cats brought in a big old rat this morning. My goodness, it was huge.
We're going that out too.
Right. Well, we are supposed to cool down tonight. We actually might get rain tonight, which is wonderful.
Go, honey.
Absolutely wonderful. Okay, it's hot.
It's getting hot.
It's getting hot. I think we're going to
Go into the AC.
go in under the AC. The girls got smart and went and found their shade. I think we're going to go find ours. And we will pick this video up later.
Hey boys, what you guys doing? It's kind of warm out, so I'm trying to get all the water in here. All right, girls, you ready to get out? Huh? Well, let's go. Goodness, they're excited about getting out. It looks like the clouds are starting to come in. Hopefully we get rain. We're supposed to get rain around 5 to 6 o'clock. It is coming in. It's rumbling over there in the corner where the tree's at. What are you guys waiting for? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. And we got one straggler coming up over the hill. Yep. Come on. Okay. Huh. There's one left out, and that's Freya. That figures. She's caught. She is caught. All right. Come on, Freya. What are you doing? Come on. Sneaky. Let's go. Let's go. Ready to go in? Come on. Let's go. Oh, she's probably at the tailpipe. No, let's go. Let's go.